this example, I want to talk to you about what happens when you have a flashing red high alarm come on at initial startup. So we plug in our modules. Okay, we have a flashing red high alarm. What this usually entails is that the set point and high alarm set point is already being hit by the temperature on the piping at time of install. So there's two ways that you can check to make sure it is. So you can turn off power again, make sure that your module is seated correctly. If it's not seated, you could get that alarm. Turn power back on and see. So we are at the temperature set point that is triggering the high alarm function. This is normal. It's nothing to be alarmed about. Our default settings are usually lower. So our default settings are usually 30 degrees for the set point, 50 degrees for the caution alarm, and 60 degrees for the high alarm. On standard pipes in the subfab, you might be seeing temperatures around anywhere from 60 to 70 degrees or higher. So this is a normal thing to see on installation startup.